Oh shit, where did that come from?
Shit. Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah,
whoa,
these keep getting me
shit.
as well. Crap.
Oh yeah, derp, you can
Oh
jump.
fuck!
Don't you die.
I almost did.
Right, gonna spawn into this again.
Yeah.
Lucky.
You almost dead, Sam.
I know, I don't feel safe leaving you two on his either.
Yeah, we got this.
Thanks.
You realise if we die, we have to start from the very beginning of this?
So good.
That's right, we've done it.
Whoa.
Yeah, stay there because I'm going to need to come back for ammo when I'm in.
Why don't I just use my shield?
Move forward a little.
Tell us to stay there and then you tell us
No,
to
I
move
need to come back for the ammo when I'm in. Okay, I need to go back for ammo.
Ow! What the fuck? What's the point in the shields if it don't work?
I need ammo, guys! The Rhino only has 12 shots.
Ammunition?
I thought those were fucking missiles then, but it was bolts. Right, up here.
Easy. Well, what are those things?
We'll get them in a minute. Get your bolts.
Oh, I was looking at you.
Back in the game. Nice. More ammo.
So what are those?
Nah, they're the
Oh, we
bolters.
put them in the holes.
Nice.
Easy.
Yeah, now we're against the boss.
I'm so small. If I'm standing behind James, I can see myself.
Everyone got the con blaster on? We'll use weak weapons first to get the overlooked. Oh. Okay, we'll use the tether against these.
Oh, God damn it!
Yeah, I forgot about these. I thought it was just going straight up to the boss. Oh, I'm stuck. Someone hit me with the wrench. Thank you.
No, I'm stuck.
I got you.
No!
Why is it always lock onto the wrong one?
I have no idea. It's a shame you can't change the auto lock.
I don't have that
Wrong
one.
weapon. It's the con blaster. It's the first one you got.
Press up on your
I
own.
don't have it
Right,
equipped.
no. Oh shit, just wasting ammo there.
Chris, you still haven't got it equipped.
No.
Analog stick, right.
Yeah, but you might press R1 as well. To go to the right
Yeah.
menu.
Nanotech. That's the stuff.
What you said?
Right analog stick, and it's at the top of one of the circles. Yeah, there we go. Okay, you had it on for a second there.
Let's roll.
Yeah, you got it.
Yeah,
Stop
but
shooting.
Okay, stop. Okay, you've got it.
I need a sight.
No, oh, I want to get that health! Oh, that's alright, that should be fine.
I'll revive you.
You're fucked.
No. This guy probably won't even hit me if I just go into this rhino straight away.
Yeah, me and Chris will cum blast him. Cum blast him. I'm arriving!
What
We're gonna
attack
lose
does
this
he
one,
do?
buddy.
Oh shit.
Yeah, watch out for that laser, you have to jump it.
Yeah.
Are you out of that, Chris? Chris changed weapon again. Okay, now he's back on it. Right, use
when I got
circle
hit.
to pick these up and chuck them at him. Crap, I died. Someone revive me!
Yeah.
Get back.
Okay, this way, over here.
Recommend retreat immediately.
Okay, pick up ammo.
Not yet. Now I will. Oh,
Bad time, bro.
it's all good. How are you doing this?
Okay, stop firing.
Why am I missing?
Use your Dark Star Tether against these.
Oh, what the hell?
Don't worry, Chris, I shall get you. Okay, Chris is out of the screen, I can't get him. There we go.
God damn it.
Oops.
Oops.
I put the rhino
these
by
lasers,
accident.
man.
Okay, just ignore those bombs. We'll just get the overloads.
Cheers.
Crap, watch out for the blades, watch out for the blades. These are a pain in the arse to dodge. James, watch out!
Whoops.
Whoa.
I didn't see that.
Help
Yeah,
me.
they are hard to see. Watch out, he's using the lasers.
Whoops.
God damn it, die.
Okay,
Bastardo.
Dark Star Tower.
We're all locked onto different ones.
That's no problem though, you can't change the lock on.
Yeah, why do a trophy for that? Oh shit, I wasn't even looking at him.
Oop. Wrong weapon, Chris. No. Fuck.
Whoops.
Oh, you motherfucker.
Oh my god.
Vad är det? Har du gjort
I'm dead, I'm
skinkan?
dead. Okay, James got me.
I'm trying to...
Did you
Keep
have
him
to
off
revive me in the ammo? I didn't want to get that right away.
Yeah. Going down.
Blades. Out to the middle.
Yeah. Ow. He knocked me senseless.
Well, I almost ran into him then.
Nice. More ammo.
Good for you. What?
Oh wow, I didn't even notice those blades then, I was too busy looking
Yeah.
at him.
You jumped at the exact same time as I did.
Okay, he's almost dead
Good
now.
thing.
Almost there.
We've probably gotten about 20 or 30 overloads from this.
Well,
There we go, he's
bombs.
dead.
Still
He
shooting.
just landed on top of me.
Os. Os.
Ooh, Spog 2.0.
Yeah, it's for killing him. He's Spog.
Commander Spog.
Captain Jack Sparrow.
Well, I don't like to brag, but I did modify my crotchetizer with a special vibrating
And do not ask what a crotchetizer is.
platypus.
What's a crotchetizer?
Sounds like something you have in your crotch.
A manly vibrator, I suppose.
Okay.
Like I said, some of the games have some dirty jokes. See? Perfect way to fix something.
Alright, Spog. We did our part. Now how do we defeat Ephemerus?
Nose. Ain't that a little like reference from Matrix?
What?
That's exactly what I was going to say.
Well, no,
Yeah.
I wasn't listening, sorry.
It's a reference from the Matrix.
What was?
Only the architect knows or whatever.
Yeah, there's things up here. Chris?
Things you say?
Yeah, there's some critters somewhere. Oh, ammo. Okay, I'm full. You guys can't grab ammo from these two.
I can from this one.
Oh, that one you can.
I don't need it. Fuck.
Oh, lag.
Triangle, Chris, triangle.